Hey guys, what's up? It's Caleb Ward coming up to you with another video. And today we are going to be testing these items right here. We got the Maki and Rice Nuggets. We got the Mocha Chocolate Kit Kat Bar. It's brand new. We got the Cajun Fries Pringles right here. We got the gummy and soft candy right here from straight Japan. We got the Milka Max Oreo bar. And guys, look, you could tell it's from Spain because of this. Yeah, because of that. These rice nuggets right here. Oh guys, and the flavor is teriyaki chicken. Oh, what? Yo, that looks... that smells good. Alright. Oh, what? Guys, this tastes just like teriyaki, guys. This is so good. That's what it looks like. It's some crackers, but guys, it tastes so good. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 9. Alright guys, we're gonna go with the Cajun fries. And guys, these are brand new. I never even saw these. Look, it's limited time only. I mean, it's limited time only. Okay. Oh my god, bro. That is so... Wow, that's a lot of powder. Alright, first time trying these Cajun fries right here. First time testing these Cajun fries chips, I mean. Whoa, guys. They really taste like Cajun fries. Yo, that's a lot of powder on these chips. Look. But guys, for real though, I'm gonna give these a 10 out of 10. Oh my god. Alright guys, we're gonna try these gummies candy from Japan. There's four. There's grape, mango, strawberry, melon, and I tried mango. I'm gonna give this a 8 out of 8. Let's try the melon. What? Wow. Whoa. Guys. for a long time. They're kind of soft. Yeah, these are straight fire. I'm not sponsored by these guys, but please check them out, guys. Alright, I'll be right back. Milka Oreo bar from Spain. And guys, this is my first time ever trying chocolate from Spain. It smells amazing, guys. Here, let's take it out. Oh, what? It says Milka right there. So let's. Oh my. Guys, look. Real Oreo stuff in there. That is so good. That's so creamy. Whoa. I'm gonna give this a 40 out of 40. Guys, I'll try this. From Spain, for real though. Alright, I'm gonna try this Kit Kat Mocha chocolate bar. Alright guys, let's try this mocha chocolate bar. Whoa. Yeah guys, this is so good. Can really taste the mocha. I'm gonna give it a 20 out of 20 because you can really taste the mocha. Bye guys. Have a great day. Subscribe.